As the sun begins to rise over the horizon, golden light stretches across endless fields of sunflowers. In the stillness of early morning, a CLAAS harvester moves methodically through the rows, beginning the day's work. There's more to this moment than just a beautiful sunrise. The timing of this harvest is crucial. Sunflower seeds are best harvested in the early morning, when moisture levels are just right. Overnight, the air cools and humidity increases slightly, softening the sunflower heads. This natural moisture helps reduce seed shatter and loss during harvesting. If harvested too late in the day, when the plants are dry and brittle, seeds are more likely to break away and scatter, resulting in lower yields. From above, the efficiency of the process is clear. The CLAAS harvester glides across the field, cutting and collecting with precision. Each pass leaves behind clean rows and a trail of gathered potential, thousands of seeds that will soon be processed into oil, snacks, or feed. As the hopper fills, the machine moves into position to unload. From above, the transfer of seeds is seamless. A steady stream of sunflower seeds pours into a waiting trailer, marking the completion of one phase and the start of the next in this carefully timed operation. In these quiet morning hours, with only the hum of machinery and the soft light of dawn, the future of the harvest is secured, one row at a time.